Everyone, right now as you can see I'm at Tularam Government College and University. Today I have come here for a special reason. Now as you can see one paper. Actually while ago I completed my third year form fill up. Already you know that I have been working as an English content creator in Bangladesh. In my future I want to work as an English content creator. That's why wherever I go I try to make practicing purpose English video. So I'm really proud feel about my English learning journey. Right now, as you can see, I'm being able to express myself totally different way at Tularam Government College and University. Truly speaking, my dear brothers and sisters, it's totally difficult to speak English in front of public place. Some of the students are noticing me. Still, I'm practicing my English without fear, without hesitation. If I can do it, why not you? My main motive, I want to motivate my brothers, sisters who want to learn English like me. Because in my future, my main motive, I want to be an excellent English speaker. Already you know that every single day, I talk to with global people for my own improvement, as well as try to making global conversation and upload on my social media on my YouTube channel. So in my future, inshallah, I will be able to do something better because I have enough confidence to do something better, as well as I try to express myself totally different way. Especially keep me in your prayers because my third year exam is now knocking at my door. So please keep me in your prayer.